What's up, YouTube? So we finally have our Cane Corsos home with us. They are at 7 weeks. So today I am officially starting to train them. We're going to start with the basic things, just the sit, the lay, and stop. Because I'm really trying to get them to a point where they just follow my heels and do as I say, basically. But for the most part, y'all, I am so excited. Like, we've been waiting a whole long 7 weeks for them to come home. They're finally here. One of them is ours. One of them is supposed to be sold. But if the man don't come by Sunday, it's ours. You hear me? It ain't going nowhere. Oh.
Yeah, like, and then somebody keep writing me talking about when he they just want to hear his voice. Ma'am,
y'all, so my sister just brought the baby some toys in a bed. Cole is under here enjoying himself. Yeah. This is my mama trying to get all the stuff together. So it's a team effort. For the most part, I'll be doing the training and they'll be doing the lover boy stuff. You crazy. Watch how I train these things. I ain't okay, y'all. So Nikki was outside using the bathroom. She's not really a big fan of puppies, so we're going to introduce them today. All right, you can open them up. Go. Go, Nikki.
Come on, Nikki. Come on. She smells a big rat.
Go.
She's scared of him.
Yeah.
I think. She don't like him.
What the hell, Nikki, was that?
Shut the door. She off the chain.
Come on, Nikki.
She got to get used to them.
Y'all,
No, we talking about.
so we're trying to introduce them to the head dog of the house, and she's not really feeling them.
She don't really like them.
Okay, so this is the first feeding being done by my mom. Now I'm gonna show.
Wait, those dogs are after her.
Come on, I didn't, Mom. I'm watching. So my method behind this is just seeing what he growl at me while grabbing the bowl, which he didn't. So they are good at sharing, but that's not what I was trying to do. Cole a little greedy. He already done bamped the whole bowl.
Put it over there, right there, on top of this dry area. You probably need a couple of more. Just go get 2 more. Huh?